Welcome to the AstralX Deep Dive, Illuminating Your Path. I'm Lunaria, Selene, your intuitive guide.
And I'm Solarian Zephyr, your cosmic strategist.
We bridge celestial wisdom
To help unlock your modern path.
discover guiding starlight insights.
And explore powerful cosmic energies with us.
Today, we're taking a truly fascinating deep dive. We're tackling a question that weaves together ancient wisdom and some really cutting-edge science. How can Virgos entangle with the cosmic purification field to transform self-critical analysis into sovereign systemic mastery?
It's a big question.
It is. And this deep dive is really going to illuminate the quantum mechanics behind your inner refinement. We'll be offering a unique blend of cosmic understanding and, modern scientific discovery.
Should be quite the journey.
So let's begin by really unpacking this concept of quantum Virgo, because when we say quantum Virgo, we're talking about a pretty profound idea. It suggests that the Virgo essence exists in a state of what's called quantum coherence. Now, for anyone maybe not familiar with that term, think of it like a perfectly synchronized orchestra.
Good analogy.
Where every instrument isn't just playing its part, but is vibrating in absolute harmony, creating this unified, powerful sound. It's a dynamic balance between two seemingly opposing forces at play within you.
That's a fantastic way to put it. And what's truly fascinating here, as the source material reveals, is we're looking at a core superposition within Virgo.
Right, superposition.
Yeah, in quantum physics, superposition means something exists in multiple states at the same time. So here, it's the simultaneous existence of what we're calling hyper-analytical service and chaotic purification.
Okay.
And these aren't separate things, they're interwoven. Each one has its own deep roots in, human biology and even quantum theory. It's not one or the other.
It's both.
It's both, existing and interacting constantly.
So let's maybe explore that hyper-analytical service bit first. For many people, this is like the quintessential Virgo trait, right?
Definitely.
That Mercury precision aspect, the keen eye for detail, that innate drive to refine to perfect things. And our sources point to some incredible neurobiological correlates here.
Yeah, this is where it gets really concrete.
We're talking about the part of your brain called the anterior insula, which is a key player in error detection. Research from UCLA Neurology back in 2023 actually observed its circuits firing at a rapid 40 hertz during these analytical processes.
40 hertz?
Yeah, it's like your brain is running a quantum error correction protocol, constantly sifting, refining, optimizing. It's a fundamental built-in system designed for precision.
Exactly. And then, on the other side of that coin, you have chaotic purification.
The Pisces shadow aspect.
Often seen that way, yeah. Representing the necessary dissolution, the letting go, the release that has to happen for any new order, any higher state to emerge.
Okay.
And here, the research points to these deep gut-brain axis oscillations. Specifically, during detox states, there's an observed gamma synchrony within your enteric nervous system. That's your gut's own nervous system.
Wow.
Mayer's research in 2024 noted this. The quantum metaphor used for this is dissipative structures in non-equilibrium thermodynamics.
Okay, that sounds intense.
Yeah, don't let that term overwhelm you. It basically just means that sometimes a period of perceived chaos or breakdown isn't just inevitable, it's crucial.
Like clearing the way.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Think of like a controlled forest fire, clearing out old growth, so new, healthier life can emerge. It's a purposeful release.
Yeah.
And it's an empirical observation of how our internal systems actually align with these fundamental quantum principles.
That makes so much sense. It really is like nature hitting the reset button. Now, you might be thinking, okay, this sounds a bit abstract, maybe just a beautiful metaphor.
Right.
But here's where it gets really interesting, because this isn't just abstract theory. Our deep dive uncovered what we're calling empirical anchors. These solid, fascinating data points that truly ground these cosmic and quantum ideas in the physical realities of the universe and even your own biology. Prepare to connect some dots in pretty surprising ways.
That's right. Because we connect this to the bigger picture, these areas that seem so separate, they really reveal a unified field of influence. It shows how deeply interconnected all these processes are.
Okay, like what?
Well, let's take Spica, for instance. Brightest star in the Virgo constellation.
Yeah.
ESA Gaia data reveals its profound binary entanglement. It's not just one star. It's a blue-white B1V star and a Boussaphide variable constantly interacting.
Okay, two stars dancing together.
And they're not just orbiting, they're locked in this incredibly precise 4.0145-day orbital coherence. But even more remarkably, polarized light spectra from this system show what's described as quantum teleportation of spectral signatures between them.
Wait, quantum teleportation between stars?
That's the description.
Oh.
Imagine their very essence, their energetic blueprint, is somehow being exchanged across that distance.
That's absolutely incredible. It feels like Spica is giving us this, like, cosmic blueprint. It perfectly mirrors that Virgo dance we talked about, service and sovereignty. Two distinct entities constantly interacting, exchanging energy, refining each other. Right there in the cosmos, it's a beautiful, distant reflection of that internal dynamic.
Indeed. And it's not just out there in the stars. This pattern, this deep interconnection, reflects right back into our very beings. Let's get closer to home and explore what the sources call neurodigestive synchrony.
Okay, neurodigestive. Brain and gut.
Exactly. Johns Hopkins fMRI studies from 2024 looking at Virgo-dominant individuals showed a remarkable 19 times stronger signaling between their remember, that air detection part of the brain,
Yeah.
and their vagus nerve during problem solving.
Yeah.
This is a huge supercharged connection between their analytical brain and their gut. And get this, their duodenal migrating motor complexes.
Okay, the what now?
Those waves of contractions in your small intestine that help digest food,
Right.
they're actually synced to gamma brainwaves.
Wait, seriously, our guts are literally vibrating in sync with our brainwaves. That's wild.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And even more fascinating, microbiome beta diversity shifts. That's the changes in the variety of bacteria in your gut. These have been observed during Mercury retrograde periods.
No way.
Yes. This directly connects your cosmic environment, specifically planetary movements like Mercury retrograde, to the health and composition of your gut. The Human Microbiome Project noted this in 2024. So yes, your internal state truly can be an echo of the cosmos.
That just blows my mind. Our internal systems are so much more connected to the universe than we often give them credit for.
Precisely.
Yeah.
And it goes even beyond our bodies. There's galactic chemical purification.
Galactic.
Yeah, the gas clouds within the Virgo supercluster demonstrate what's called quantum tunneling in heavy element filtration.
Okay, break that down. Quantum tunneling.
It means they're able to filter elements with incredible precision. Like their iron to hydrogen ratios show only a 0.01% variance. It's almost impossibly precise filtering on a galactic scale. Truly mind-boggling. And adding another layer, they also exhibit these 40-day deuterium depletion cycles that remarkably match human cellular renewal cycles.
So galactic cycles matching our cell cycles.
It suggests a vast cosmic detox pathway active on a galactic scale, potentially influencing even our most fundamental cellular processes right here on Earth. It's like a universal blueprint for purification, from the largest structures down to our smallest cells.
Okay, so if all this cosmic and biological interconnectedness is happening, what does this actually mean for you, for the listener? How can you tap into this profound quantum understanding of Virgo, or really the universal principles it embodies, to transform that self-criticism into sovereign systemic mastery? Well, our sources lay out an actionable quantum activation protocol. It's called the Decoherence to Pure State Ritual, and it's designed to bring these cosmic and biological insights right into your daily life in a really tangible way.
Exactly. This ritual is designed to help you, the listener, collapse from that state of unresolved potential. Where you might feel scattered or maybe overwhelmed by self-criticism or just stuck into a pure, empowered state of clarity and purpose. Think of decoherence as all those fuzzy possibilities suddenly settling into a clear, strong reality. It begins with something called neurosequential cleansing. It's a carefully sequenced, roughly 6-minute process to just reset your nervous system and prepare your mind.
Okay, neurosequential cleansing, how does that work?
It starts simple. Tactile grounding. So using something as basic as a grain sack or even just feeling the texture of wood, the idea is just to bring your focus squarely to the physical, grounding your energy right here, right now.
Got it. Feel the texture.
Then you move to an olfactory reset, engaging your sense of smell with refreshing scents like lemongrass or cedar. Scents can powerfully shift your mood and presence, as you know.
Oh, definitely.
And finally, auditory filtration using brown noise. Brown noise, unlike white noise, has this deeper, more soothing quality. It really helps quiet the mental chatter. The overall neural effect of this sequence is a measured reset of your default mode network overactivity. That's the part of your brain that's buzzing when your mind is wandering or worrying. It effectively clears the mental static and prepares you for the deeper work.
Okay, cleansed and ready. What's next?
Following this gentle but pretty powerful cleansing, we move to the quantum purification matrix. Now, this is where specific biological levers are engaged to directly transform some core challenges that many people, especially those with strong Virgo energy, often face.
Biological levers. Intriguing.
Yeah. For instance, to shift from criticism into discernment, the ritual suggests applying a gentle tongue-to-palate pressure, just resting your tongue on the roof of your mouth.
Okay.
This simple action triggers what's called a trigeminal-hypoglossal reset. It helps to reframe your internal dialogue from that critical self-talk to a more neutral, discerning observation. It literally helps you change how you talk to yourself inside your head.
So a simple physical action can shift our inner voice. That's quite profound.
It truly is. Next, to move from chaos to order, the ritual suggests practicing a spinal C curve posture, just a gentle curve.
Okay.
This is designed to release duramater tension. The duramater is that tough membrane surrounding your brain and spinal cord, and it can physically hold on to stress and disorganization. Releasing this tension can bring a real sense of internal calm and order.
Makes sense. Releasing physical tension releases mental tension.
Exactly. And finally, to transform martyrdom into sovereignty, you could apply splenius muscle massage. This is a simple self-massage technique on the muscles in the back of your neck. It helps rebalance cortisol and DHEA levels in your body.
Ah, the stress hormones.
Right, shifting you from that state of depletion and feeling overwhelmed to one of empowerment and energetic balance.
Wow. These are truly hands-on, very specific methods to shift your state and repattern your internal landscape. It's taking these huge cosmic and quantum concepts and making them incredibly actionable in your everyday life.
Precisely. That's the goal. And the final step in this protocol is crystalline coherence entrainment. This involves using specific binaural beats. Those are auditory illusions that, when you listen with headphones, can gently guide your brainwaves into particular states. The ritual suggests 528 hertz.
Often linked to DNA repair, right?
That's the association, yes.
Yeah.
And 741 hertz,
Mm-hmm.
which supports detoxification and purification. So, while listening, you visualize this flow of emerald light originating from Spica, that bright star in Virgo,
Mm-hmm.
flowing down to your solar plexus, your center of personal power, and then extending further down to your gut-brain axis. The profound effect here is aiming to create quantum coherence within your enteric glial networks.
The support cells for the gut's nervous system.
Exactly. It's literally about aligning your inner systems, allowing your digestive and nervous systems to work in harmonic precision.
That's a powerful visualization and such a fascinating connection to our inner biology. Now, diving even deeper, how do Virgo's refinement processes entangle? Our sources introduce this concept, the purity field effect.
Ah, yes, the purity field effect.
It's a fascinating idea that really highlights the interconnectedness of everything, suggesting that your personal purification is part of a much larger kind of cosmic web.
That's right. This effect suggests that your refinement processes are deeply interwoven through several, maybe surprising pathways. First, what the sources call mycelial intelligence.
Fungal networks, like mushrooms.
Exactly, like those networks found beneath forests. They're now being explored as biological quantum computers. Drake talked about this in 2023. They're not just passive organisms. They seem to be actively processing and transmitting information. It's this vast interconnected web of wisdom we might be able to tap into.
Wow. Okay, what else?
Then there's information metabolism, a concept highlighted by Reardon in 2024. Here, your gut microbiota, those trillions of tiny organisms inside you,
Yeah.
are literally converting data information from your environment and your diet into neurotransmitters. These directly influence your thoughts, your emotions, your mood.
So our gut microbes are literally shaping our minds. It's
Yeah.
huge. And then beyond our planet, how do cosmic events tie into this purification?
Great question. Because even beyond our planet, we find cosmic detox pathways. Our sources suggest that galactic center gamma ray bursts, these incredibly powerful cosmic events, may potentially trigger cellular autophagy within us.
Autophagy, that's the cellular self-cleansing process.
That's the one. How your cells clean out damaged parts and regenerate. So it's truly mind-blowing to consider that our gut microbes, these ancient fungal networks, and even gamma ray bursts from the center of the galaxy might all be part of our personal purification process.
It really makes you feel like a direct participant in this grand cosmic design. It certainly does. But okay, what happens when that Piscean chaos emerges? We talked about it earlier as the shadow aspect, the dissolution. For many of us, that can feel really overwhelming, right? Like our desire for order is being completely derailed. How do we navigate that?
That's such an important point. And that's where the shadow integration protocol comes in. It offers specific, actionable tools for when that feeling of chaos or overwhelm arises.
Okay, good. What does it suggest?
One technique is to hum, VAM,
Yeah.
V-A-M, which is the Virgo Biha mantra. It's a powerful sound vibration. And you do this while simultaneously tracing a Fibonacci spiral, maybe with your finger in the air or on paper.
Ah, sound and sacred geometry.
Exactly. The combination helps to soothe and repattern your energetic field, bringing a sense of calm amidst that internal storm. Another really powerful technique is cold forearm immersion.
Just running cold water over your forearms.
Simple as that. Or immersing them in cold water. It helps to quickly reset your HPA axis, that's your body's central stress response system. It brings you back to a state of calm and centeredness pretty quickly.
Okay.
And the goal here, it's really important, isn't to eliminate the chaos or pretend it doesn't exist.
Right.
Instead, it's about consciously channeling it into what we could call sacred dissolution. Embracing Pisces' highest gift, which is release and transformation. It's about consciously dissolving what no longer serves you to create space for a purer, more coherent state.
That's such a powerful reframe. Not fighting the chaos, but using it as a tool for transformation. Wow, this whole deep dive, it really leads us to an incredible upgrade for the Virgo archetype, doesn't it?
It really does.
Virgo 2.0, the Conscious Cosmic Alchemist. This isn't about striving for some kind of sterile perfection or rigid control, which, let's be honest, can often be a Virgo's challenge.
The pitfall, yeah.
It's about active, conscious participation in the cosmic dance of creation and refinement.
The Quantum Astrology Manifesto, version 4.5, articulates this beautifully. It states, the Virgin doesn't criticize imperfection. She entangles with the quantum flux to midwife potential into form.
Midwife potential into form, I like that.
Yeah, and it goes on. Every act of discernment purifies the universe's probability field. This means your specific analytical attention isn't just about your own world or your immediate surroundings. It's about potentially shifting the very fabric of reality itself.
Furiously.
Well, the idea is that when a Virgo uses their gift of discernment, they are literally helping to refine the universe's possibilities, making it clearer for new potentials to emerge. And this profound statement is even supported by data from cryo-electron microscopy, these super powerful microscopes revealing microtubule quantum vibrations during focused attention.
Oh.
Which lends credence to some fascinating theories like orchestrated objective reduction, suggesting our consciousness itself might play a direct role in influencing reality at a quantum level.
That's incredible that our focused attention could have such a profound impact. And you mentioned earlier, there's even data showing that during Virgo season, water structuring exhibits this 12-sided icosahedral coherence.
Yes, the very geometry of purification and harmony. It truly reflects that cosmic influence even on a molecular level, connecting us to the most basic elements.
Amazing. The alignment influences water itself.
It seems so. And, on a more human-centered note, a 2024 McKinsey study also found that Virgo-led research and development teams achieve 37% faster innovation cycles.
Wow, 37% faster.
Yeah, it highlights the raw power of this archetype when it's focused on bringing things into being, on refining ideas into tangible results. Interestingly, though, they also noted that these teams benefit greatly from Libra's diplomacy for effective implementation.
Ah, the balance. It shows how different archetypes really collaborate best.
Exactly. Collaboration is key.
That's fantastic to see the practical application of this energy. So, for a final activation, our source suggests that at dawn you face Spica's azimuth. That's the point on the horizon where Spica rises and just softly whisper, I am the sifting of the cosmos.
Powerful affirmation.
And to truly integrate this, track your system refinements in, say, a quantum journal. Log any decoherence events. Those moments where chaos collapses into a purer, more coherent state. Noticing that shift.
And this raises, I think, an important question for you, the listener, to maybe ponder long after our deep dive concludes. True purity isn't sterile perfection. It's the quantum coherence of service and sovereignty within a single grain of cosmic dust. It's about finding that integrated balance, that perfect synchronization within yourself.
As our cosmic journey into Quantum Virgo concludes,
we really encourage you to dive deeper into your unique path of entangled purification and precision.
Request your personalized email audio reading now. You can find the link sparkling in the description below.
And you can also explore episode resources, purification rituals, and the cosmic calibration links there too. All the details are waiting for you. Purify, align, bat 4.
Subscribe for more Starlight Insights.
And thank you for entangling your energy with ours today.